Thank you, my friend, ha. Even though you don't have channel, but you support me. That's means to me talaga. Thank you so much. Thank you so much also for your subscribing to my channel, guys. Oh. Busy Barazas, idol. Maybe your idol is Manny Pacquiao. Okay lang po ba yun, idol? Ang ano? Thank you. I will catch up with you later. Have a great day. Oh, thank you so much, Mark. Have a great day also. Good morning to you in USA, Texas. Good morning. I believe it's morning in there, no? Shout out to you, Mark. Thank you so much for the like. Ay, ano ko nga ito, subscribe. Subscriber mode, no? Para madagdagan tayo ng subscribers. Ano din, so thankful din if I have a new subscribers, guys. Okay? At least, tumaas yung ating subscribers, no? Pero hindi naman ako nagmamadali or something like that. The most important to me is to complete my revenue, complete my threshold. It's $100, so it's not easy for me to reach that $100. So that's what that is what I want to to achieve every month. The threshold. It's okay lang na my subscribers not too fast growing. But of course, if it is growing, I'm so happy na talaga, no? Kasi naghihirap lang tayo guys, hirap na ngayon ng isda, mga darling. Ano, lagi po akong nanonood ng live mo. O sabi mo, first time mo ngayon. Lagi na pala. Oh, you're lying, ha? Sabi mo, ngayon ka lang napasok sa live ko. Baka si Manny Pacquiao yung gusto mong panoorin na, hindi ako, ha? Kasi nagwa-wonder na ako niya, nag-idol kayo sa akin, ha? Ba niya, first time na dito. Ba? Si Syra Pangkusina, nalista ko na si Hania, ha? Maraming salamat ko. Salamat 6 million in the other live stream. 6 million din niya. No. I only have 8. I have 8 in my other live stream. Alright, thank you very much. Yeah, I'll turn the subscribers mode. I'll let the subscribers to send a message. You need to subscribe to me before you send a message. That is a good idea. But sometimes others would like to become our subscribers. Lagi po kitang panonood. Okay. So, starting today, lagi mo na akong panonoodin. Ay, salamat naman, BG. Meron akong pamangkin na BG yung pangalan, pero maliit pa siya. I think, 4 years old. Yeah, 4 years old. I have my nephew. Is it nephew, no? 4 years old, and his name is BG. Stands for Billy and Jelena. That's why BG is her name. His name. Wow, Shane. Ay, salamat Sir BG, ha. Andito kasi ako, dalawa yung aking live. Yeah. I do the live stream like this also. We have a quack-quack in here. Quack-quack here. Quack-quack there. Quack-quack everywhere. Congratulations. Gusto mo sumali, Sisi? Ma'am Kusina, but this is just an entry, Sisi, ha? Dito si Sis Agnes, hindi naman nagpe-present. Entry lang po ito, Madam Kusina. Maraming salamat, Sisi Kusina, ha? Akala ko talaga nag-work ka lang dyan sa ibang bansa. Eh, nakapag-asawa ka pala ng foreigner na taga-German.